Hello everyone! For today's product, I'm going to create Christmas house card laser design. You can download more Christmas house cards on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need sandpaper and nail file and knife. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. As you can see in the video, there are small parts on the card that need to be cut to get the parts out. Do this for all parts of the house. After all, you can start assembling this design. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can buy this laser design and many more via link in the description. You can download more Christmas houses on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month.